You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. So today's video, I have a PR package from Madam Glam. They sent me over 5 colors of my choice from their new collection, which is called Harvest Hues. They have 8 total colors in that collection, and I was able to pick out 5 of those colors. So if you guys are interested in seeing what colors I chose and also a nail look that I came up with, stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to say I already swatched these colors, so I will show you them swatch, but I will create a nail look with these. And I want to say thank you so much to Madam Glam for reaching out to me once again, giving me the opportunity to test out some new colors. I absolutely love Madam Glam. My collection is growing. When I tell you it's growing. So if you haven't tried Madam Glam, make sure you do so. I'll have everything linked down in the description below. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I have. Okay, so the first color I have is, oh, I'm sorry, apple pie. So just gonna show you the color really quick. This is a pretty, it's like a burnt orange, almost red undertone color. Really pretty. Definitely perfect for the fall. And this is what the color looks like swatched. I'm sorry if I keep going out of frame, guys. So very pretty color. Then the next color we have is Stormy Day. Really pretty blue for the fall. Absolutely love this color. Blue is actually one of my favorite colors as well. And this is the color swatched. Really pretty. And these colors gave great coverage. You could probably almost get away with just one coat. Then the next color is Cozy Blanket. Really pretty. It's hard to tell. This color has like a pink creamy color to it. It's like a very hint of pink in it. At first, when I thought it, looking at the picture, I thought it was going to be a gray color, but it actually is. It has a pink undertone to it, so it's like a creamy pink. It'd be a great nude color. So this is the color. You definitely will have to see this color in person, because on camera it's coming up almost like cream to me. So, but it does have a hint of pink in it. Okay. Then the next color is Teal Deal. It's very pretty green. It almost has like a gray undertone to it. Really pretty. And then here is the color swatched. Very pretty. Okay, last but not least, Fall Serenade. And this is a very pretty, it is given like a burnt orange, reddish undertone. I don't know how well you can see it. And this is the color swatched. Really pretty. So I want to show you these 2 colors together. Okay. So real quickly, these are the 5 colors that I chose. And I believe I'm going to probably take these 2, or maybe this one. I don't know. I'm going to pick between these 4 colors. I'm going to pick 3. And then we're going to come up with a look. Okay, guys, so real quickly, I'm going to show you which colors I chose. I actually chose 4 colors. So I'm going to go with Stormy Day, which is the blue. We're going to do Fall Serenade, which is this color. Then we're going to go in with Cozy Blanket. And last but not least, Teal Deal. So I have my tips already prepared, so we're just gonna go in and we're gonna start creating a look. So I'm not gonna talk through this portion of the video. I'm just gonna play some music, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. And if so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still.
Okay, so I have these out of the light, and I did apply a second coat off camera. Then I'm going to go in with these 3 colors to create a nail art look.
Lights, keep on driving and driving.
Okay guys, so if you stay to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. So once again, here are all 5 colors from the Harvest HUE collection. I will have everything linked down in the description below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these colors or the whole collection, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the nail look. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. These are so freaking gorgeous. I love the colors. I love the colors. And I hope you do so too. As you can see, I did met these 2 out and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know